Hello, this is Zach from Mudshare, and today I'd like to discuss the topic of tagging within the Mudshare platform. Using my login credentials, I'm on my home dashboard here, and if you recall in our last video, we did some filtering through contact management. What's very powerful and robust about the Mudshare platform is that it recognizes the filter on your contacts and saves that information for you. So I'm going to go into Contacts, Contact History, and you can see that the filter button is red here, meaning that the filter is still applied to these 10 individual contacts. Now, again, the power behind the solution is the action items below at the bottom. Up top is a way to navigate through different views. I'm going to add a tag to these individual contacts and group them for this specific tag. By using the action command tag contacts, I now have the ability as a user to create a tag. There are two methods of creating a tag. The first is you can manually enter your own tag to your preference, or two, you can use existing tags. Anytime you do an import of a file or a database import, you can use the drop down here, and that's what we call an automatic tag. That file name is already existent with these contacts, and I can apply that automatic tag here or use any other tags that have already been created. However, for this example, I'd like to create a new one. So I'm going to tag these contacts and name this tag group 1. What this does is now this contact information, every time I use or search for group 1, these 10 contacts will apply, and you notice that the number is 10, and it's taking that information from the 10 contacts here listed below. Once ready to add the tag, you can click add, and the system will give you a checks and balance before performing the action. Now, if you're importing a lot of data or have a lot of data that you're tagging, I should say, the system will do that on the back end. Even if you log out or time out, it's still creating the tag for those contacts and will notify you via email once the tag is complete. But once ready to confirm, simply click yes, and that tag is applied. Now let's say I want to send out a text message for just the group of contacts that are associated with the tag we just created. And I can use that through a filtering feature. So I'm going to click on filter here, and I'm going to delete my previous filters from before. And now I want to apply a filter just based off of that specific database tag. So I'm going to use filter by, and I'm going to choose my field under database tag, and then I'm going to use the command or condition that is equal, and then when I click filter file or filter value, excuse me, it knows that I'm filtering by database tag, so it populates every tag that you have created within the system. And here's that group 1 tag that we just created. I can add this filter, and now when I click apply, it's viewing the information based off of the individual tag. A way to also view your overall tags that you have created in the system, you can go into the contacts section, click on database tags, and view and edit that tag information here. This concludes my video on tagging within the Mudshare platform. If you do have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to your Mudshare representative, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.